Choppy day today with inflation data coming out tomorrow. Some pullbacks in the NASDAQ, taking out the intraday lows, right at the intraday lows on, I guess, what was that, Tuesday? Market gapped up on Tuesday. Here is last Friday. Monday rally. Tuesday, huge gap up. The intraday low on the NASDAQ was right in here. Took out those lows. And I guess it's maybe poised to go higher now. I'm not sure if it's going to fill this gap first. Anything can happen in the NASDAQ at this point. I said yesterday that we were so close to highs, it's like a magnet. It could go there. It could go either way. Today it pulled back. It was unusual. I thought the price action was unusual. Let's look at the S&P actually too. S&P, it did not take out Monday's lows. It was stronger today. The ticks were pretty weak, and the advanced decline line was weak. And what was unusual today, in my opinion, especially in the NASDAQ, is that the market was not propped up, but it was extremely overbought in the short term, massive rally. And so we're used to seeing this being the end of the selling, and then this prop up happening right here, and then maybe a new low by a little bit, but then just a prop up. Reached choppy action into the end of the day, and this sold off into the end of the day. So that's not typical. That is what a normal market would do, but we're so used to the dip buyers coming in and propping things up. But it was extremely overbought, so that was interesting. VIX was up just a little bit today, but not much compared to where it was last Friday. I guess this was Monday, this was last Friday. VIX handle up in the 34, all the way down to 21. And so here are the results on the day. Minus 3,000 on the 200K portfolio roughly, minus 1625 or minus 1650 in the 50K portfolio. Let's go over the trades. 50K portfolio, 7 contract, gap continuation in reverse. And so this strategy typically takes advantage of that propping price action that we see. And so we didn't get that propping price action today, and the market rolled over on us in the way it normally should. This is what the market probably should do on a day like today. We're just used to seeing it not act normal. And so we also lost on the short side. Cobra 3 just got stopped out on that counter trend rally. It would have hit its profit target right there on the last bar before the close had it not been stopped out, had our stop been a little bit bigger. And so we had just gone through a major new equity peak and winning streak in Cobra 3 though. So one loss there on Cobra 3. Let's go over the rest of the trades in the 200K portfolio. This is the gap continuation reverse. That was a painful loss right there. Gap fill masters, small profit at the open. Cobra 3, even the S&P did profit, $575 per contract. 60-minute breakout short, captured this. First trade was stopped out. And the second trade, is in a winning trade. It's holding that position overnight. And so we had those 3 trades on the ES. Let's look at the NASDAQ. We had Cobra 3 stopped out. QS3 had a nice trade at the open, plus 825 per contract. EVP1 had a nice trade into the close after losing at the open, got long at the open, and then got short at the close. That was a nice trade at the close, bringing us more back towards break even on the day, minus about 130 per contract instead of where we were, which was at minus 1,000 per contract. So 60-minute breakout also took this long signal and then got stopped out. Gap continuation took this short signal, stopped out. Choppy day. Market acts more choppy on down days. Crude swing gave back a lot of yesterday's gains. Nice entry, nice trade higher, and then just pulls all the way back. So crude oil is kind of all over the place right now. That was the only trade in crude oil. Natural gas, no trades. Gold, we got gold reversal short right here at the close, going into the inflation report tomorrow. No trades on silver. Copper, we're long right at the end of the day, holding this trade overnight, looking for a potential home run in copper breakout. See if we can get that move. Soybeans, no trades today. Those are the trades on the day for Thursday, December the 9th, 2021. Like I said, 7:30 Central Time tomorrow. Inflation data will come out. That should move the markets. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.